everybody. It's Wednesday, February 12th, time for our chart of the week. And let's go. We're going to take a look at Chinese name Alibaba. BABA is the symbol. Let's take a look at the stock. It's been on a roll for the last month or so and heading up towards resistance. But we think that even back up there would be a little bit of a pullback coming in. And that would be a time to be adding the stock. So as we see, stock is pretty much overbought right now. Let's take a look at the trend over here. You can see this channel has been making higher highs and higher lows. We have a gap up here that needs to get filled. It's about 117. That would really be the target where it could get to. Right now, we see the stock is down a little bit here in the pre-market, but we think that the stock can make a run at least to fill that gap at 117. It filled this other gap from back in October much easier last week on Friday, pulled back, and then had a great day on Monday, February 10th. Indicators are real strong. I put a new indicator up here that we haven't seen for quite a while. It's called the on-balance volume. This was created by Jill Granville back in the late 70s, early 80s. It tells us where money is flowing from the big boys, from the hedge funds and so forth. So we see that on balance volume has been making higher highs and higher lows. Now this is a little bit different indicator than the Chaikin money flow, but still telling us the same story that we're at the highs of October over here. So what does that mean? Basically a little bit of a warning sign, because last time we got up to those highs in October when on balance volume was peaking, we came back down really, really hard here. Now, do I expect that sort of movement to happen again? Not really, since this time around we have really, really strong volume, especially on the up days. Check out the volume bars over here. Whereas over here we did have some good strong volume, but it started to weaken as we were moving higher, and we just went parabolic over here. That's the problem with stock like Alibaba. When the price goes parabolic here, it's vulnerable to some sharp moves to the downside. And if that continues to happen like it did in October, we had a couple of gap downs in October. It fell out of bed and it was just annihilated back in November when the markets in the US here were up strong. MACD is on a buy signal over here. Relative strength is overbought. Remember something, it doesn't necessarily mean we have to short or sell the stock. It just means that we have to be on warning for a bit of a pullback. So I think that this stock has been demonstrating for the past month or so that pullbacks have been good buying opportunities to add the stock. The Chinese stock market has been fairly strong when it's been open. And it was this month in February, it was closed for about a week during the lunar week, and now it's back open again. So we may see a little bit more upside here with Alibaba. Look for about 117 or so before it cools off, and then maybe a pullback to where it is right now, about 107 to 110, and probably shoot right higher again. So I think earnings will be coming out in about a week or so. So take a look at Alibaba. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.